and gentlemen, international conference participants, I would like to ask for permission to present of our paper entitled, An Analysis of the Producer Surplus of Tofu Agro-Industrial to Measure the Welfare of Industrialists and Employees in the Central Lombok Regency, by Tajid et al., Lecturer of the Department of Socioeconomics, Faculty of Agriculture, University of Mataram. Introduction. The Central Lombok Regency, located in West Nusa Tenggara Province, Indonesia, has potential in the agricultural sector. Food crops are the largest subsector compared to the plantation, horticulture, livestock, and fisheries subsectors. The potential of soybeans in the Central Lombok Regency is essential for developing into a product of high economic value. One crucial aspect that needs to be considered in improving the welfare of industrialists and employees in the tofu agro-industry sector is controlling the price of soybean raw materials. The research aims to determine the impact of the tofu agro-industry on the welfare of industrialists and employees in the Central Lombok Regency. The research results are hoped to be helpful in making decisions about planning policies to improve the welfare of all stakeholders in the tofu agro-industry. Research methods. 1. Research sites. The research was carried out in Puyung Village, Jonggat District and in Akmul Village, Praia District in the Central Lombok Regency. The research location was determined purposely with the consideration that Puyung Village and Akmul Village are tofu agro-industry centers in the Central Lombok Regency. 2. Sampling Unit and Analysis Unit. The Household Scale Tofu Agro-Industry Business Unit is a sampling unit and a unit of analysis. Using quota sampling, the number of sampling units was determined to be 30. In contrast, the number of sampling units per village was determined proportionally based on the population size in each location, namely 26 business units in Puyung Village and 4 business units in Akmul Village. Sampling units were selected using an accidental sampling technique chosen when the survey was carried out. 3. Data processing and analysis. The data was processed using a computer and Excel software, and data were analyzed using mathematical formulations and descriptive statistics. Results and discussion. Industrialist welfare and employee welfare. Industrialists get better welfare than employees in the agro-industry. The income of industrialists and employees is above the provincial minimum wage. Industrialists and employees are in the prosperous category. The income of industrialists in Puyung Village is almost twice that of industrialists in Akmul Village. This is because the scale of the tofu agro-industry business in Puyung Village is larger than the scale of the tofu agro-industry business in Akmul Village. Still, the employees' income difference between the two villages is not significant. The surplus of tofu agro-industry producers in Puyung Village is almost twice as large as that of agro-industry producers in Akmul Village. Each village has an ample supply of linear producers with significant income from industrialists and employees. Based on the surplus value of the producers, the welfare of industrialists in Puyung Village is higher than the welfare of industrialists in Akmul Village. Conclusions and recommendations. Industrialists and employees in the agro-industry know that the research site can achieve prosperity because they earn income above the provincial minimum wage. The level of welfare of industrialists in Puyung Village is higher than that of industrialists in Akmul Village. It is necessary to establish a tofu agro-industry cluster in Akmul Village so that the procurement of raw materials, production processes, and marketing are effective and efficient. This will increase producer surplus and improve the welfare of industrialists and employees. Dear ladies and gentlemen, international conference participants, I would like to ask for permission to present of our paper entitled, An Analysis of the Producer Surplus of Tofu Agro-Industrial